The need to clarify the role of the minister has repeatedly been raised as a concern. It appears that there are different interpretations to words given or words contained in Section 207 of the Constitution that requires the National Commissioner to exercise control over and manage the police service in accordance with the national policing policy and the directions of the cabinet member responsible for policing. According to the Oxford Dictionary, policy refers to a course or principle of action adopted or proposed by government to achieve a particular goal, often outlined in written form or as a clear guideline for conduct. Chair, this relates specifically to the question whether the letter of the minister on the 31st of December 2024 was a direction given in terms of Section 207 and whether that fell within the purview of a minister to give that direction. So policy is clearly something that is proposed to further government goals, and it's often outlined in written form. And I believe in view of our discussion on the national policing policy, we all have a better idea of what it entails and also the strategic level of matters that are addressed in that policy as an indication of government's goals and aims.
But if I can just ask you to stop there perhaps. You recall the National Commissioner said he reached out to the President. The President said he'll talk to the Minister. And then in one of those meetings where this issue was discussed, the National Commissioner says the President is in agreement with the disbandment of the PKTT, and therefore, by extension, the President was in agreement with that instruction that was issued. Does that make any difference in relation to your definition as you've referred to as policy?
Government's policy does not only relate to the decision or view of a president and a minister, and this is even more pertinent in view of our current government of national unity. So it cannot be proposed that even if it was discussed with the president, it has now become government's policy or government's intention to dissolve the PKTT.